dovetail joint. Got 2 pieces of timber like that. Okay. So basically, 2 pieces of timber like that. What we do, we place that onto there. We do a mark there. Get the square. That's the square on the timber. We mark around there, 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 and the front. Just there and there. Okay? Reduce that down to 2 mil. We mark there, and we mark there. Okay? Then we get a bevel with that onto an angle, onto there, and then onto there. Okay? Then get the second piece of timber into the vise, like so. Measure halfway to there, then 22.5 to there. Place the timber onto there like that. Mark that side there. The square. Do a line there. Mark that. Then square there and there. Taking the bevel again. Put the bevel onto there. Draw that one. Turn it around. Draw that one there. Take that square onto there, there, and we draw it across there, and there, and then identify the waist, which is all of that there, and that there, and all see all that's waist. Okay, now, cutting time. Do you guys just want to come and watch this? The angles. Now quite hard because then we're going to be cutting down the grain and slightly across. See that one look well. Making the angles upright makes the cutting easier. Then like before with half that, we've got to rip it down. So all that slight angle. We'll leave that one for the moment. We'll look at this piece now. Once you've cut that, like the half of that, place that against your cutting line to see how tight you've got to cut that side. And turn the timber around, especially yourself back down the side, and turn it around so you can see your cut